Hello, good morning. Today is a bank holiday in the UK. We've got the long weekend, so Friday and Monday are bank holidays. So most people have a 4-day weekend, which is glorious. It's Easter time. And we've been blessed with beautiful, beautiful weather. So not sure how much work I'm going to do this weekend, but going to get a bit done anyway, as is the maker lifestyle. Been a bit of a productive week. Got a few different features out. Just let me share what I did yesterday with you. Okay, cool. So we're in Thyself now. Made a little update to this button here. It looks more like a button now. Put this little ASCII symbol in here to show that it's a switcher. Eventually this will change and there'll be a more cohesive sort of set of controls for managing your moods. But for now, I think this works. The big change yesterday was basically prompting a user to sign up. That's where we want to get to, have more accounts on Thyself, because you can use it without an account, but there are some advantages with having an account. The main one being that your settings and your moods will be saved and stored on the server, so that if you want to use them in the future, or if your laptop dies, or if you use multiple computers, then all that mood data will be stored in the same place and you'll be able to access it from different devices, because otherwise it's only on the device that you choose to use. So how that looks is there'll be a prompt up here, and I'll show you this quickly. If I change, just add mood here. This one, zany face, my favorite. Click on here, and then if we go back to the settings page, you'll see careful your moods are not synced. So it's a bit more of a warning, I suppose. And I was so previously it was more of focused on the advantages, and now it's focused on the disadvantages, that something bad might happen with the careful. So it's a different way of a different copy. Let's see what happens. See if people are more engaged with that. Additionally, there will be an update to this icon here. If there is not if you have moods that are not synced, then there'll be a little red dot at the bottom right here. But as I can show you here, because of some permissions that I've got set up within the manifest of the Chrome extension, it's going through a review process again. So and that might take like 3 or 4 days. It took a while last time, and it's a bit too long if I'm putting out new features regularly, daily. So I'm going to find out a way of changing that in the Chrome extension, because I think that review cycle is just way too long. Particularly as well as if I introduce a bug, it's going to take me a long time to get that fixed. So that's not ideal. So cool. So that was the focus yesterday, was just prompting people to sync their moods. And if you click that, then you go up into the sign up page, and there's some more information about syncing, and then also about the privacy, which I think is important for users to know when they are signing up. We often hide that inside privacy documents, but I've tried to pull out some of the key aspects of the privacy policy into a succinct list. Important for Humane products, and also legal. I think legally now we have to have good privacy policies for GDPR in Europe. So that's something. Cool. Today looking at introducing some payments. So I decided to introduce a limited time offer of $5 for a lifetime pass, and not sure how it's going to look yet. Was playing around with some designs yesterday. Quite like these ones. And so gonna introduce that. We'll probably do that with the Stripe integration. Should be fairly easy to set up, always is. So once I've done that, then I'll get that live, and that's it. Cool. So we'll update you tomorrow. See you later.